In this video, you will learn how to create event registration form in Microsoft Forms. Okay, let's just get right into it. All right, to create event registration form, the first step is to launch a web browser. Here I'll be using Microsoft Edge. As the browser opens, visit forms.microsoft.com. Once it opens, log in or sign up if you don't have any existing account with Microsoft. Okay, so the next step you need to take is to click on Template Gallery. Now, this will list a lot of templates for you. And our interest here is on event registration. So you get to event registration form, okay? And here we have an event registration form. I will click on that. And this form has opened in a new page. So the next step you need to take is to start customizing it based on what you want. First, let's work on this heading. So I'll click here and customize it the way you want it. Let's call this Godwin Tech Annual Events Annual Event Registration, okay, form. Okay, let's say that I want to hold an annual event whereby we talk about technology with people, okay? So this one says collect information for your event such as headcount, logistics, food, and everything. Okay, let me just have it to be the date of the event, okay? So here the date is dated December 2025. So that's what I have at the heading part. Okay. Then here your name is okay. I will click on this so that I know that it's compulsory. Okay, they will know that it's compulsory. Then he said insert new question. I will click because I want to have something before this one. So I will select text. What I want from them is email address so that I'll use it to send email to them when the time is closed. Okay. All right. So the person needs to fill email address for me and insert new question again. I'll be needing your phone number. I'll select phone number. Phone number. That's what they will fill in again. All right. So that's compulsory too. Then this one has section. Which sessions do you plan to attend? This is going to be two sections. So section one is going to start from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on that day. Okay. Then section two is going to start from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay. p.m. All right. So let me make this 10 to 12 noon. Okay. So these other ones that you don't need, just keep deleting them until they are all gone. Okay. So okay. So is that it for this order? There's no need for this order. So we're gonna have only two sections on that particular day. So and this is required from people that will fill this form. It's not going to be multi-choice, okay? So just select the one you want. Are you coming for the first section or are you coming for the second section? All right, so that's that. Then he said, do you need shuttle service for your place? So I need that for them to select that. Any food allergies. So if they have any food allergies, they'll fill it for me. How did you hear about us? All right, this is very necessary. Our website, we have a website, okay, on the Assumption Family of Friends email newsletter. Okay, how would you like to receive additional information? Okay, so that's necessary because that's why we have space for phone number and email address. Okay, include your phone number or email address here. Okay, I'm going to delete this because I've already demanded it before. So once you click that, click on delete and it's gone. But there's something I need to get after email address and phone number, and that is city. So I'll click here and I will select insert new question. Okay, country. Let's go with country in this case. Then I will click, okay, city. Let's go with city. So, city, the person is going to be coming from, okay, because I assume that this is going to be held in United States of America. All right, that is required for me to know the number of people coming from different cities. Okay, so all these are set, and I think this is compulsory. So I will toggle this on required. Any food allergy required, so that I'll know the kind of meal to prepare. Okay. How did you hear about us? These two should be optional. So I'll click out because I'm done setting up what I want to set up in this case. Then what is next? To print this form, because I may like to distribute it locally to people in my area as well as online. So for you to print the form, click on these three dots and select print form. Okay. All right, so connect your physical printer to your laptop or to your computer. All right, and make sure that this, okay, click here and select the printer you want to use. All right, then maintain this setup. Is it portrait or landscape? I think portrait will be fine. All pages, good. If you want it colored, click here. Maybe you want the color of black and white, I'll select. And after that, hit the print button. All right. So it will be printed through your printer, okay, depending on the number of copies you want. Then here one copy is selected, but if you want maybe 50 copies or 100 copies, you add it there. Okay. So let me cancel this. Then another way you can print is maybe save it as PDF in your PC. Maybe you want to send a PDF copy to some persons. All right. What you need to do is click on these three dots, select print form as well. And this will open on this side showing you Microsoft Print to PDF, depending on the type of PC you're using. Here I'm running Windows 11. So that's why this is selected. And now we hit the print button. All right. So this opens the a location in my PC. If you don't want that to be saved in downloads, which is selected in this case, you can click on another location, maybe documents, then give it a name. So this is an event form. So I'll call it event form for GTech. Okay. Then I'll click on save. All right. So let's see other things you can do with this form. Maybe you want to generate a link, you want to share it with people online. What you need to do is to click on collect responses. Okay. On clicking on collect responses, check this box. Okay. Shorten URL because we want this to be shorter. Okay. If you make it long, it may be too long. So that's why we select this option. Then click on this for it to be selected. You click on it once and click on copy. So this is copied. So you can get to WhatsApp of the contact you want to send it to or their email address. Okay. Send the link to their email addresses, and then we get it. Okay. And sign up for the event for those that are interested. All right. Maybe you want to send it to their email from here, add their email address and click on send. Okay. It will go through. So they'll fill, answer that online and submit online. And once they submit online, once you click on view responses, you will see what they answer. Okay. Their forms there, their names and their email addresses. Okay. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel to learn more. Check out this video here to learn how to create quiz in Microsoft Forms. Thank you and see you some other time.